Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install NetBeans. Before downloading the NetBeans, make sure to download and install Java JDK. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed Java JDK into my system. I have also made a video on this step-by-step tutorial on how to download and install Java JDK. I will put the link in the description below so you can watch and follow these steps and easily install Java JDK into your system. After installing the Java JDK into your system, then start downloading NetBeans. So let's start. First of all, open your browser and search NetBeans download. Open the first link and click the latest version and click the option download. In here I'm going to choose the first link, which is for windows.exe because I'm using Windows. So click the first link and now you are going to click this link and it will start downloading the NetBeans. So as you can see below, I have already downloaded to save some time. So I'm going to open this file. Now click yes. So on this pop-up, I'm not going to change anything here because I will go with the default setup. So I'm going to click next, accept the terms and condition and click next. In here also I'm not going to change anything, so I will keep it default and click on next and then click install. So it's gonna take some seconds. So now the installation has been completed, so I'm going to close this and also close this browser. So from here I can open the NetBeans. So to check the NetBeans if it is working properly or not, I'm going to create a simple new project just to check whether the NetBeans is working properly or not. So from here I can click on new project and I'm going to go with the basic one, Java with Ant, and make sure it is on Java application and click on next. So on the very first time it takes few seconds to install the basic packages, so just wait until it install and activate the basic packages. Now from here I can change the name of my project. That is going to be, I'm going to make it main, and this is the path where my project is going to save in the system, and make sure to check this box and click on finish. So this is our main.java class, and now I'm going to write a simple code just to check if NetBeans is working properly. So here I can write system dot out dot println and hello world. So this is just a single code just to check whether it is working fine or not. So here I am going to from here I'm going to run this project. So as you can see, our output is hello world, which means our NetBeans and Java JDK both are working perfectly fine. And that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.